Judith Omundi, Ramogi TV.
Archbishop mar din ma jokopere Philip Anyolo jiwo sirkal mondo ne ni uwuok oko mar chopo singo mane ochiw ne jopiny e kinde mane gisero ombulu. Anyolo kinde yawo kar thieth ma St. Francis Community Kasarani omedo jiwo sirkal mondo mi pek weche timo twak e midhiero ma oganda kaloe kotenore gi pek mar ngima moloyo go twak e weche mag siasa. Omedo siro wach twak madhi nyime e kind sirkal gi riwruog Azimio kendo jiwo oganda mondo sir chenro no.
Own brothers and sisters have been fighting one another on the political level and everywhere. But the best thing and the most important thing is we join together, even as the national anthem tells us, to talk about our future, all of us together. So I want to congratulate the dialogue that has gone on, and I want to encourage it, perhaps in a challenging manner, that let it be something, dialogue that will bring sense to the lives of the people. So we encourage and we continue asking the government and the people concerned to do appropriately the work they are given for the betterment of the people of Kenya, not just for selfish reasons.